everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with a brand new mini kit. It is our very last Christmas thing we'll be releasing this year. It's our Aussie Christmas number 3, and it features this most adorable little Tasmanian Devil. Also on there is this beautiful stocking full of Australian natives, Merry Christmas banner, cute little Santa hat, some cookies or presents. It is just really cute stamp. Also in the kit is this laser cut with joy, season's greetings, and ho ho ho. Really cute. Of course, you've got your mini book with a whole bunch of beautiful ways to colour this and use that's the add-on die. I'll show you that in a minute. So many cute things. I'll show you some more of that in just a minute. What else is in the kit? You have got your mini cut apart sheet. This one uses die number 5 and die number 6. And these are all the papers. Lots of fun festive colours. Beautiful designs. And these are great for obviously making your card backings. Okay, so that's everything in the kit. You certainly can add on to the kit the fussy cutting die. So that's the fussy cutting die, and then this is our extra add-on die we have made for this month. And it is a eucalyptus wreath with a little, it's like a little bow. And if I show you here, that is it. There's 2 or 3 of them layered up here in different colours. It's just beautiful, and that is the little bow. Lots of cute little gift tag ideas. So many fun ways to colour in the little Tassie Devil or the stocking. Really beautiful. I actually have this card here in person. Ashley bought hers in. Merry Christmas from Australia, so cute. Season's greetings, that's with the laser cut. I love this one. So simple but yet effective. Merry Christmas. The cookies and the milk. That is that beautiful Australian native stocking. It's just gorgeous. Greetings from Australia, that is using the eucalyptus leaf. And I love this one Ashley made. That is with our owls from the owl family. The most magical time of year, and she's just popped the little Santa hat that comes with this set. So this collection is now available. I just want to show you, there's a couple in here which I just love. This one here by Kelly, the little devil and the wreath. I cut myself off before. It's available from today, the 20th of November, and is shipping straight away. Because we know you want to get this collection in your hot little hands, ready to make all your gorgeous little Australian Christmas cards. There you go, guys. I hope you love this release and collection as much as we do. Aussie Christmas number 3 works perfectly with Aussie Christmas number 1 and 2 as well, obviously. And we hope you love it. Thanks, guys. Bye.